Hey guys, it's me, Kevin. Today, my cousin Chris doesn't know how to ride a bike. Go, Christopher. Yeah. Go. Watch this. He's like 8 years old. Finally! Try again. It's been like 3 years since you haven't ride a bike. This is really hard. It's like, oh my god. Why? You're like 8 years old, you don't know how to ride a bike? I'm not. You're like turning 4th grade, so you're supposed to be. Okay, guys. It's too heavy. Go. Go again. You almost got it. Okay. Come on, Chris. Ride it, okay? Go. Trust me. I'm going to put this on YouTube later, Christopher. I'm going to show it to Jared. I'm like, Jared. Go. I'm recording the whole thing. Go. Okay. Here we go. Go. Oh, go. Okay. Go. Yeah. Go. Go. Oh my god. Ever. Ready? Ready, Chris? Set. Go. Go. No! Come on, okay, this is how you do it. Record me doing it. Oh my god. This is how you do it right here, Christopher. Bye. Stand cars. Hey, try to ride a bike. Oh, stupid. Yeah. Let's go over here. You need like what? You got this? Yes. Sorry, there's like a bee right there. What? Nothing, just go. Your blood right there? Your blood right there. It's not blood. Where are you? It's just dirt. Oh, yeah. Hurry, go. Go! Put your feet in the... Yo, Jared. Are you shaved? Yeah. Okay, Christopher. I guess you don't know how to ride a bike. Bye.